Welcome to Chapter 2. Chapter 2, we are dealing with measurement. And this is Section 1, Lesson 1, Perimeter. So you just have to remember what the perimeter is. The perimeter of an object refers to the distance around it. So take this rectangle, for example. This rectangle has this side, A meters long, this side, B meters long, this side, C meters long, and the bottom down here, D meters long. So as we said before, the perimeter of a shape refers to the distance around it. So the perimeter of the shape, which happens to be a rectangle, is A plus B plus C plus D meters. Now, sometimes it's not going to be so straightforward looking, right? Sometimes we have to determine or deduce the length of one side of an object. For example, if we were given A meters and B meters, A, let's say, was 3 and B was 5, then we could deduce that C is also 3 because C is equal to A, and D was also 5 because D is equal to B. So even though they did not give us the length of C and D, we could deduce the length of C and D. Now let's look at this L-shaped shape here, right? We have here, be it 8 centimeters, 1 centimeter here on top. Then this is A, this is B, this is 2 centimeters, and this is 3 centimeters. So they didn't tell us the length of A and B. But we could deduce, because we know this whole vertical length here is 8 centimeters, and A stops 2 centimeters short of the 8 centimeters. So in the example above, A is equal to 8, which is this vertical length, minus 2, which is where this vertical length stopped. So it's 8 minus 2, 6 centimeters. Also, B is this horizontal length. Now, the length of this horizontal is 6 centimeters, the whole horizontal, but it stops just this distance short, so it's 1 centimeter shy of the 6 centimeters. So B is 6 minus 1, 5 centimeters. So we could look at the varying lengths, see where it stops short, or see what we have to add to it, etc., etc. And we could deduce, even though they did not give us the length of all the sides, right? So now we could find the perimeter of this L shape. It will be A plus B plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1, right? And A plus B, as we just deduced, was 6 and B was 5. So that's 28 centimeters in all. Okay, and that's how we work out our perimeter. And that's how we could deduce the perimeter of lengths that the length of different sides that they did not give us the length of, but we could deduce it from the lengths that they do give.